Park there.
I'm looking for this man. Have you seen him? Look closely. I know he's been through here.
You know what you're talking about, man.
I know he came this direction. Our radars say he's here.
We don't know what you're talking about, man. I'm not telling you shit. Yeah.
I'm gonna give you one last chance. Tell me where he went, and you can walk away alive. So be it. You know where he is, don't you?
No idea what you're talking about.
All of our reports say he went through here. I know you've seen him. Where is the Praetorian?
Got nothing for you.
Last chance, soldier. I want to know where he is right now.
You come into my town, kill all my soldiers, and expect me to just give you what you want?
I will kill every living being in my sight until I find him. He will pay for what he's done to everyone, to me. Tell me where he is.
Stop! He was here! He was here, but he's gone.
Where's he gone?
I don't know. What did this guy do for you to hate him so bad?
He's wanted by Star Legion. He will pay for what he's done.
He seemed okay. He seemed okay.
You have no idea what he's done. The damage he's caused.
I may not know, but I know why you wear that mask. It's not to intimidate your enemies, because you're a coward. It's to hide your face. A face that isn't even yours.